The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is already making headlines, and it's not even out yet. But with a rumored price of 159,990 Indian rupees, should you wait for it? In this video, we'll break down everything we know so far about its launch, features, price, and more. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the rumored launch. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to hit the market in the future, likely in 2026. While details are still speculative, leaks and rumors are already generating a lot of excitement. If you're a tech enthusiast, this is definitely a phone to keep on your radar. Now, let's get into the features. The S26 Ultra is rumored to come with some major upgrades. First, the camera system is expected to be top-notch, with improved sensors, higher megapixels, and AI-powered photography. This means even better photos and videos, whether you're shooting in daylight or low light. Second, the display is likely to be larger, brighter, and more efficient, with a high refresh rate for smoother scrolling and gaming. Third, the performance will be powered by a next-gen processor, making everything faster and more responsive. And with a larger battery and faster charging, you'll spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Finally, the design is expected to be sleeker and more premium, with new color options to choose from. But all these features come at a price. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to cost around 159,990 Indian rupees. That's significantly higher than current models like the S24 or S25 Ultra. So, is it worth the wait? If you're someone who wants the latest and greatest in smartphone technology and doesn't mind the premium price, then yes, it might be worth holding out for the S26 Ultra. But if you need a new phone right now, current models still offer excellent features at a more affordable price. So, who is this phone for? The S26 Ultra is clearly aimed at tech enthusiasts and professionals. If you're someone who prioritizes camera quality, performance, and premium design, this phone will likely be worth the investment. It's also perfect for anyone who wants to stay ahead of the curve in smartphone technology. How does it compare to the competition? The S26 Ultra will likely go head-to-head with other flagship devices like the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Google Pixel 9 Pro. But Samsung has a strong reputation for innovation and ecosystem integration, which could give it an edge. Of course, there are still a lot of rumors and speculation. Some leaks suggest the S26 Ultra might feature under-display cameras and enhanced AI capabilities. Others say it will integrate more deeply with Samsung's ecosystem, like the Galaxy Watch and Buds. But remember, these are just rumors for now, so take them with a grain of salt. To wrap it up, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be an incredible smartphone. With a rumored 2026 launch, premium features, and a price tag to match, it's definitely one to watch. Are you excited about the S26 Ultra? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.